In this video, I will show you how you can blur the background of your photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone, and from here just select a photo of which you want to blur the background. After that, just tap on the Edit button, and in the Edit section, just tap on the 4 dots over here. And from here, just select the option which says Background Blur. And after you do that, you will be able to control the background blur of your photo. As you can see, if I drag this slider all the way to the left side, I will unblur the background of my photo. But if I slide this slider all the way to the right side, I will blur the background of the photo. As you can see, I have unblurred the background, and now I have blurred the background. As you can see, it has done a subtle blur in the background. And once you're satisfied with the blur, then just tap on Done and select Save. As you can see, this is how you can blur the background of your photos on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.